I am gonna wash you today. I got you.
Guys, today is the big day everybody's been waiting for. English, Spanish, YouTube channel about to blow up. You guys gotta be on it. Share, subscribe, like, show it to the whole world. We got you. I'm gonna show you on the Demon inside out how to wash it. I'm gonna show you crazy cars, crazy videos, and a lot of excitement, a lot of burnouts, and how to take off all that burnout off of the tires. That's a cheap alarm.
She got fun.
Four rules on how to wash a car the proper way. Number one, step one, water. Step two, real foam. Step three, some more water. Step four is like the best step of all. It's none of your damn business. Just wash this car. Guys, makes a real foam that wash and wax. 20% wash and wax. If you're a pro like myself, no drips, baby, no drips. 20%. Bam. Out of 20% wash and wax, 80% water. Basically till the bottle fills up. It's full. Best place to get your wash and wax, 3D Los Angeles. That's where I get all my stuff at. After that real foam cannon, we're ready to roll. Step two, you need a little foam. We got you. Check this out. That's step two. You guys ready for step three? Step three is gonna be right up for you guys. Four steps, easy steps, how to wash a Demon. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. No excuses. Write it down, take a picture. I don't give a shit. Just remember the 4 easy steps on how to wash your Demon. That's simple. Share, subscribe, like, and let your mom, your dog, your brother, your sister, everybody, you gotta show them this video, bro. Appreciate you guys. Thank you.
But she got fun.